I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology in BDS first year. Start by mapping your syllabus and deadlines, then break topics into manageable daily tasks. Use active recall and space repetition to cement concepts. Pair theory with practicals and diagrams to visualize function. Review previous lectures briefly each week to avoid backlog. Keep a simple tracker to monitor progress and adjust study time based on weak areas. Engage actively with the material by explaining concepts in your own words and drawing labeled diagrams for each system. Create concise flashcards for key numbers, mechanisms, and drug actions. Study with a buddy and teach one another for 15 to 30 minutes per topic to reveal weak spots. Regularly solve short applied questions to build clinical thinking and retention. Adjust methods when recall drops or confidence is low. Treat practicals as evidence for theoretical principles by documenting aims, methods, and physiological meaning immediately after the session. Draw flowcharts and label mechanisms with arrows to show cause and effect. Capture short audio notes summarizing each practical to replay during commute or breaks. Use colored pens to distinguish pathways and hormonal controls so visual memory supports recall under exam pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.